You guys really enjoyed this video, so let me show you how I made this video from scratch to finish. So first, as always, I get my music and I get it from Spotify. Sometimes I remix my music. I can show you guys how I do that too in another video. And yeah, then I make sure that it's nice and cropped and it sounds good. And then I go ahead and I go to Zepeto and I pick out my outfit. By the way, thank you so much for using my templates and supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. So since the song starts off with the woman rapping, I'm going to lip sync. And I do that by adding my song to the whatever, I just add my song and then I lip sync. It gets annoying, but you can get used to it. Then she mentions a man, so I went to editor and I picked out my man, my male avatar, and yeah, I just made him pose and kind of like made the camera do this thing. I don't know, you can see. So now that I had the man, I had to pick out my background, and I went with this because it's kind of, I don't know, it's cute. After I exported, I thought about the fact that she does this like eating slurping noise because she's eating pasta and lobster. So I was looking for some eating poses, but unfortunately I couldn't find any. But then I remembered that one pose has this like eating thing going on, so I just took that and I used it. It actually turned out so good. So here I'm just positioning her the way I want her to position to be. And then on CapCut, I obviously add the sound and I extract audio because sometimes when you add transitions, it just sounds so weird. It messes up the audio. And yeah, this is where we start actually editing. This is the fun part. I'm just kidding. It's not. I hate this part so much. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna let you watch me edit. And I'm gonna kind of like comment here and then. Here and when. Now. What? Anyway. So I'm gonna let you watch. I'm sorry. I'm gonna let you watch. Okay, no, delete this. Anyway, sorry for that. I'm not gonna what? Like I can't. No. Anyway, stop. Okay, calm down. Anyway, so I'm not gonna delete that because I don't want to be silent throughout this whole video. So I'm just gonna let that. Yeah, you get the point. So as you can see, it's just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just seeing what works, what doesn't, and that's basically all I do. Never mind, I lied. I forgot that I trimmed this video. So I went ahead and I looked for a phone pose because she's on the phone with that man. So this is the best pose that I could find for that. I'm just kidding. I was not prepared to do a voiceover. I actually went ahead with this pose. So yeah, this is the pose that I went with. And yeah, I think it turned out great. More editing. I was thinking about cropping this video even more, but I feel like if I was new to editing, I would want to see someone, actually go and edit the whole video, not just do like trims. So I'm just gonna let you watch. Okay, never mind. I actually went ahead and I got a pose of him talking on the phone. She says that this man said something on the phone. I went ahead and had him be on the phone, so I lip synced to that as the man. So because we needed some filler dancing, because I didn't want them to be just like on the phone for the whole video, I went into editor and I made her dance a little. Over here, you can also see how I use keyframes. So if you're not really good with keyframes, just watch this video right here and you're gonna get, like, you're gonna start understanding it more. please consider subscribing and liking the video, following me on Zepeto. I'm gonna be posting a lot of different Zepeto content, like tutorials and stuff on here, so please make sure you subscribe. I like the way it looked, so I went on CapCut, obviously, and I added that to it. It just gives it like, I don't know, like, I don't know how to describe it. Kind of like, oh wow, okay, there's stuff actually going on in this video. There's not just like two people on the phone. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, obviously, but I wanted it to be more like a music video. There was another part where he was talking again. Well, he wasn't actually talking, but the woman was saying what he was saying on the phone. So I went ahead, I lip synced again, and I added to it. Throughout the whole editing process, I actually rewatch it so many times. It actually drives me crazy because I hear the same part of the song over and over again. I must admit, I think this pose over here, this dance, is actually like my favorite. Like, there's no other dance that I like more than this dance. He sent her money, so I made him like throw money around, since he's like, you know, throwing money at her, sending her money, you get it. Then a car is being mentioned, so I went ahead and put him in a car. I liked the way it was looking, so I decided to put in some effects. And for this video, I didn't want to like overdo it. I didn't want to have too many effects, so I just kept it clean, kept it kind of simple, and yeah. Then it was time to make thumbnails. So on my iPad, I went ahead and I took a picture of my space, of my background. And I also took pictures of both of my avatars. So here you see that I just positioned her and I removed the background so it's in PNG. I usually use Procreate because, I don't know, I just use Procreate for everything. I love it so much. So I positioned my background the way I wanted. Then I also gave this motion blur effect. I added the male avatar. And I put motion blur on him too because I wanted her to be the focus of the thumbnail, so she would just like, you know, stand out a little. My iPad is so dirty, I'm so sorry, but then I airdropped it to my phone. I edited it on CapCut, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Please subscribe for more videos, more tutorials. Follow me on Zepeto, and I'll see you next time. Bye!